Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kia Sangria here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am back with a new video. I am going to be reviewing the Moda Total Face Flip Kit. They sent this to me when I became a part of their Moda Maven affiliate program. So I will have a discount code for you guys where you can get these brushes and some of their other ones with some money off for you. I know that it's been such a long time since my last video and I'm so sorry about that, guys. I'm really trying to be a little bit more consistent with my channel this November. And so if you have any ideas of the type of content that you want to see from me this month, please leave a comment down below and I will try to create something for you guys. I'm not 100% sure what you guys want to see from me, but I'm very much open to creating things based off of your ideas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So to get started, I'm going to be using the Moda Total Face Flip Kit. I'm going to be using this to do my face today. These brushes are so cute and they're so tiny too, so they're easy to take with me like on the go. I'm going to start with the Maybelline foundation and I'm just going to lay down a nice flat canvas for my makeup to go on top of. And this is like my third bottle of this foundation. It's really my favorite at this point. So I'm going to highlight using the Milani Concealer Perfect just to brighten up my under eye and hide my designer bags. And I'm going to go back in with that foundation brush, turning it to the other side and using that to blend. I love making my brushes like dual purpose, guys. The less brushes I use, the better, so I don't have to clean as many. So I'm going to contour lightly with the True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is by Black Radiance. I have a baby face, and so if I don't like sculpt it out, like I just don't look good. Or at least I feel like I don't look good. And for now, I'm going to use the Essence Banana Setting Powder. I love that it comes in the compact, which is like, it's new to me, but I really like how like non-messy it is. So this is going to be my go-to for a little bit. And then for my eyes, I'm just going to use the Essence eyeshadow base. This is just to give my eyeshadow something to stick to, because I have very oily lids like all year round and I have to use something to keep my eyeshadow in place. Also, let me know what you guys think about the new hair. This wig was originally orange, but I stripped it and decided to recolor it. Let me know what you think of the new color down below. For the eyes today, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac eyeshadow palette. I think I've only used this palette a handful of times, which is why I was like, you know what? I think I need to pull this out, do something else with it. And today I'm going for like a soft purple smoky eye, just because I feel like I haven't done one in a long time and I feel like it'll really go like super cute with this hair. So I'm just continuing to go in. I'm going to go in with another brush. And this is the pencil brush, which is perfect for creating smoky eyed looks. I'm going to use this brush to go in with the black eyeshadow. And guys, if you want these brushes or any other brushes from Moda, make sure to use K Sangria to get some discounts. So far, I really like the way these brushes feel. I like the way they apply makeup. So I'm really happy that they sent these to me, and obviously I wouldn't talk about a product that I really didn't believe in, but I think these brushes are really affordable, and the options that these brushes like come in terms of like shape, color, and design, there's an endless array of like Moda brushes that you can choose from. And if you haven't checked out their website, I'll leave it in the description down below along with my discount code. But yeah, go check them out. Get yourself something nice. I'm just going to go in with that purple shade and the Zodiac palette. I just really feel like this purple is going to go so perfectly with my hair. And if you see my nails too, I've already done this. I just think purple and green and like purple and emerald just look so good together. So I'm just going to go back into that black eyeshadow and replace what has been lost, just to deepen that crease. And this is the first time in a long time that I think I've taken this much time on like my eyeshadow, and it really felt like nice to kind of pamper myself like that. Should probably go back to doing this more often. So I'm just applying the color to my under eye. Once upon a time, I never used to do this, but now I just started to like the way I look when I do it. So I'm using the NYX Primer Water Spray just to add some moisture back into my face because I was really starting to dry out. So now I'm going to use the Essence Pencil Eyeliner. This is like a soft, like creamy textured eyeliner. I usually go for liquid, but lately I've really been liking this one. So I don't know. I think I'm going to start alternating. I don't know. I like liquid for summer, but this is like really nice right now, especially because I didn't want to do a wing today. So I'm just going to line my bottom waterline, finish that off. So next it is time for mascara. I'm using the Carity Bold Mood mascara, and I'm just going to use this on my top and bottom lashes. Lately I've been seeking out mascaras that are like lengthening so I don't have to wear lashes, but I find that even when I do like use a like a mascara that like makes my lashes longer, I still go ahead and like use lashes anyway. But I really like a mascara that gets the job done. So I'm just going to go in with my Absolute New York Powder Foundation. I use this as like an all-over face powder, and I just really like the way that it helps me like blend the highlighted areas together. I'm just cleaning off my brush because, again, your girl likes to use the same brushes over if possible. I'm going to go ahead and start doing some blush. I'm going to use the Nika K blush palette and get some red on those cheeks just to bring some color back because I feel like I lost a lot of color once I put on everything else. And I'm a big fan of blush. I never realized how important blush was until I got older, but I just feel like blush really brings a look together. So now I'm going to take my fan brush and I'm just going to highlight, just a little bit of highlight. Once upon a time, I used to go crazy with highlighter too, but now I think I've kind of learned my lesson. Learn to just be gentle, not so heavy-handed. So now I'm going to go back into my eyes. I'm going to use some lashes from Absolute New York. I do have a code for them too. It's KSangria10. You will also be able to get some money off of your purchase, and I will leave those details in the description box below. So here I'm just trying to figure out what kind of lip I want to do, but I've decided to go with this pink just because I feel like it'll look a lot better than the green that I was previously holding. And I was not disappointed. I really do like the way this pink gloss is. It's from Wet n Wild. So this is a drugstore product, but I absolutely love the way that it looks. I love the way this look turned out too. So I'm going to finish off the look with the Absolute New York Spritz to Fix, and here it is. I really love the way this makeup turned out. It's so fun, it's cute, and it's really soft too. I really like the way, especially the way it like goes with this hair, and I really love the way that these Moda brushes helped me to apply this makeup. So if you're interested in these brushes, be sure to use my discount code KSangria, and yeah, I think these are an excellent buy. I think they would make an excellent gift for the holiday season. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and come and join me on my next video if you want to see more looks from me. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you soon. Bye.